Hey everybody, welcome to another baseball card break with Matt. Today we had a little malfunction, guys, is whenever we were just opened the pack, like I still have it the way it sits. I haven't touched it in any form, shape, or way. Just opened it and my camera decided to cut off on me, guys. So don't really know why I did that. I just cleared a bunch of memory for these videos. So here we go. Anyways, to restart the video, have not touched it. I swear I wouldn't lie to you. Here we go. We got George Sisler. Got Roberto Clemente, Andy Young rookie card. We'll stick that to the side. Chris Bryant, Jamoha James Jones rookie card. Joe Crown, Luis Patino rookie card. Lou Grehag. There's Bo Bichette. I see something that's going to be cool coming up. We got a Manny Machado. We've got ourselves Mickey Moniak rookie card. So here's something right here. What is this? Oh, it's an autograph, guys. Look at that. Daniel Johnson. This right here is number 33 out of 50. So that's a pretty cool. It looks like it is a sticker auto, of course. Not an on card autograph right there, but still pretty cool. All right, guys. That's awesome right there. So pretty cool right there. Going to go ahead and stick that to the side. That's probably going to be the best thing we pull out of one of those. But it's finally cool to finally get an autograph. You guys that watch the channel probably have seen me open a bunch of these and no autos or anything like that. So finally got one up there. We got Zach McKinstry is our red parallel card. That's pretty cool. Stick that over here. Also, who else do we have? We've got an artist proof of Braxton Garrett. That's pretty cool. We got Honus Wagner, Gallery of Stars. I really like those cards too. These cards are really nice. The Art of Hitting with Joe Jackson. That's really cool. We got a Joe Wood, Yogi Berra. Here is a debut of Brady Singer. Got Chris Bubic rookie card and Tyler Stevenson's rookie card, guys. So that was probably, I want to say, one of my best blaster boxes of this series of cards right here, guys. So look at all these rookies that we got in here. We got Tyler Stevenson, Chris Bubic, Brady Singer, Braxton Garrett, Mickey Moniak, Luis Patino, Jahmai Jones, Andy Young. Then we got a Zach McKinstry's rookie card with the red parallel border, and check that out right there. Those are some really cool cards. I really like those right there. But the best one is definitely going to be an autograph of Daniel Johnson right here, guys, numbered 33 out of 50. So really cool. I hope that Panini one day can get licenses because they put out some very beautiful cards, guys. Like, really, they could give Topps a run for their money the way that they print their cards. That's just my personal opinion. I still love Topps cards also. I would definitely get them if I can find them anywhere. I'm just saying, man, Panini's got some nice looking stuff too, so don't sleep on the Panini products, guys. So, that is going to do it for the video. I hope you enjoyed it. Be sure to hit that like button down below for me. I will see you in the next break. Have a wonderful week. Peace.